I am Sugandhi, Assistant Professor, Department of CSCPG, National Engineering College, Kovilpatti. My paper title is Innovative Connecting with Small Scale Farmers to Markets. It's guided by Dr. K.G. Srinivasagan, Professor and Head Department of CSCPG, National Engineering College, Kovilpatti. This project is actually under the field of natural language processing. In recent world, the communication technologies are complemented by opening a new pan for knowledge evaluation in nature. Particularly, the main objective of this paper is to be used in agricultural people, particularly in agricultural supply chain. The knowledge has acted as a vital source for all economical, environmental, and social activities. Generally, small-scale farmers are unaware to access the mainstream markets because of their low education and low levels of technology. To reach the information of agricultural trading to unreached and last milestone of the farmers is the main objective and motivation of this project. A new comprehensive approach was to be evolved and needed. So there is a need to develop an alternative automated responsive system for agricultural commodities for farm entrepreneur, which would help them in a day-to-day decision making. So this project or this paper introduces a novel approach for linking between the small-scale farmers and market vendors through mobile technology. This approach is used to collecting the information about the vendors and sellers and the prices in different markets of various commodities on a daily basis from market vendors, then availing them to the farmers in the real time. So this work also offers a solution for the farmers entering vulnerable sources to the market and avoid the middleman into their commodity sales. This is the overall methodology of my project. Generally, market access is one of the most significant factors influencing the performance of smallholder agricultural in developing countries, and in particular the least development countries. Access to new and more rewarding markets for agricultural products is vital in enhancing and diversifying the livelihoods of poor subsistence or semi-subsistence farmers. So mobile technologies effectively reduces the gap between the farmers and markets, making the sharing of the marketing information and knowledge easier and more effective. So this is the overall proposed work explained as follows. First, call your toll-free number of a farmer, then choose the language options like Tamil or English or Telugu or Hindi or Malayalam. Then choose the next option is seller or buyer and collect the information about the caller name and address and item and quantity. So next one, the seller and buyer informations are stored separately in our common server system. Common server system is a high-end server. Next one is check-in buyer database, whether the seller required item is demanded or not. If the required item is demanded by any buyer means collect the buyer details, then send it to the corresponding seller. And also check-in seller database, whether the buyer required item is available in any seller means collect the relevant seller's information and send it to the corresponding buyers. So if the result of the checking stated false means the buyer or seller is keeping waiting stage. This work is an alternative way to linking between the farmers and vendors. The seller details are maintained in up to 15 days. After 15 days, our server system sends an automated voicemail to checking the stock item of the particular farmer. The result of this query is yes, then maintain the same details in the seller database. Otherwise, eliminate the details of the corresponding farmer. The common agricultural website is also maintained in this work. This website is specially designed to the agricultural people to see the details of their own language. The expected impact of this work is, in economical wise, initially we estimated to reach the system up to 3 lakh small scale farmers and traders in various agricultural commodities access and benefited. In social wise, rural people to know their commodity market rate and it can be enable to demand to market rates upon particular item. By opening up markets for small scale farmers and improving their profitability, more of rural poor are engaging in farming. In environmental wise, generally small scale farmers are prone to degrading the environment because of their awareness. But when the farmers obtaining the agricultural and marketing information to make a reasonable living from improved yields in their activities, so they become interested in sustainability and thus actively participating in protecting the environment. Next, the conclusion of this project. Information and communication technologies, when used adequately, can speed up the process of transfer technology. The utilization of mass media, internet and mobile can bring about considerable changes in the lives of the farmers as it transfers the current and the precise technology. So, crop protection and management schemes, market rates and farmers' experience provide adequate information to fulfill their farmers' information needs. When this is reached at the exact time of the requirement, then it bears fruit. So, the above said efforts are towards this goal, and it hopes to change the livelihood of the farmers. So, this work is surely to improving and significantly improvement their existing works. Thank you.